And good day. Today we will do a DIY fidget spinner. We have two types, basic and with LED light. So what we need is a pair of ice cream spoon. So we have two pairs here because one we want to do a basic with fidget spinner, and the other one is fidget spinner with an LED light. Okay, so what we do is, the first thing is we put double-sided tape at both ends of the ice cream spoon. So now that we have put double-sided tape on both pairs of ice cream spoon, and we take baby cotton bud, we cut into two, and we will use 1/2 for each pair. So then we insert the thumbtack here. I have cut off the sharp part for safety to children, and before that we have to put metal washer. This one I have combined 2 for each, and I tape it with cellophane tape to make it heavy, and I put in the middle of the double-sided tape. Here I put in the middle of the double-sided tape too, and I put the cotton bud stick through the hole, and to make it balance so that the fidget spinner can move freely. So I make it balance for both parts. Okay, lastly, at the end, the other end of the cotton bud stick also I insert in the thumbtack. So now we have the basic fidget spinner. So now we go to the fidget spinner with LED light. Okay, before we put the heavy item on both parts of the double-sided tape, we take the LED light and confirm which part is the positive part and which part is the negative part, so that the light will lit up. If it's wrongly put, it won't be lit up. So this is the correct one, and make it firm with double cellophane tape. And we do the same thing on another LED light and battery. Okay, so now we have lit up 2 LED lights with its batteries, and we put it on the double-sided tape, and using the same method that we used to do the basic fidget spinner just now, we insert in the thumbtack in the cotton bud stick, cut off the other end of the cotton bud stick, and we put it through the hole and make it balance so that the hole can make the cotton bud stick move freely. And when it's balanced, can put the second thumbtack in the cotton bud stick. The hole is not reached yet, so we have to cut more. And now we put second thumbtack. So now we have the fidget spinner with LED light. Okay, so I hope you can do this by yourself, DIY at home, and the best is with parents' guidance. And good luck, all the best.